What's the meaning of ambivalent? Ambivalent. 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 Ambivalent.
Ambivalent means having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. It is a state of being uncertain or indecisive about how to feel or act towards a particular subject or person due to conflicting emotions or thoughts. This can create a sense of confusion or discomfort within an individual as they struggle to reconcile their opposing feelings. Ultimately, being ambivalent can make it challenging to make clear and resolute decisions as there are often competing factors at play that make it difficult to choose one path definitively.